Welcome to the ultimate guide for selecting the best engineering laptops under 50,000 rupees for PLC programming and general engineering tasks in 2026. PLC programming requires specific hardware for industrial simulation. IDEs like TIA Portal are resource-hungry, demanding high single-core speeds. Field connectivity is also crucial, requiring physical ports like Ethernet and high-speed USB for interfacing with hardware. Here is the 2026 hardware checklist. We recommend an Intel Ultra 5 or Ryzen 7 processor, 16 GB of DDR5 RAM for virtual machines, and a 512 GB NVMe General 4 SSD for storage. Look for an FHD plus IPS anti-glare display and an aluminum chassis for durability. Our top choice, the Asus VivoBook 16, offers the perfect balance. Equipped with a Ryzen 7 7773U, it has a 16-inch display for ladder logic, military-grade durability, an ErgoSense keyboard, and dual-vent cooling for heavy simulations. The Acer Aspire 7 is the performance king. It features dedicated gaming-class cooling for thermal-intensive MATLAB and 3D AutoCAD tasks, along with high-bandwidth RAM slots that are easily upgradable to 32 GB for future-proofing. For durability, the Lenovo Slim 5 stands out. It features an all-aluminum chassis built for dusty labs and industrial sites. Its 1080 PIR camera also provides secure facial login, essential for protecting proprietary project code. The HP 15s is the mobility expert. At just 1.6 kilograms, it's the lightest option, offering 50% battery in 45 minutes. It includes Wi-Fi 6E, a dedicated numpad, and full-size HDMI for easy data entry and presentations. Looking at the TIA Portal compilation benchmark, the Acer Aspire 7 leads with a score of 95, highlighting its superior processing efficiency for 1,000-plus line ladder logic compilation. Here is the connectivity checklist. An RJ45 port is vital for PLC communication. USB-C PD allows for charging with a power bank. HDMI 2.1 is essential for connecting to external 4K monitors to view complex CAD designs. 16 GB is the non-negotiable RAM standard for 2026. Since modern PLC software runs inside virtual machines, 16 GB is required to allocate sufficient resources to both the VM and the host system without causing freezes. For buying advice, always prioritize the CPU over the GPU for PLC programming. Check for expansion slots for future upgrades. Look for at least 300 nits of screen brightness and utilize student discounts to save extra money.